Hello, good morning, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and record the reading lesson because the 10 o'clock lesson, live lesson that I had planned, I didn't go as planned because we did have a speech session at that time instead. So I'm going to do lesson 3 now. So we're going to go ahead and just look at the chapter book for this month. So remember, this month we're talking all about health and wellness. We're talking about, it's a life science lesson, so it's all about health and your body and keeping your body healthy, and your heart and your brain and your lungs healthy, and your skin and a lot of other parts that need to be kept healthy. Okay, so the name of the book this month is
Jeremy's Healthy Body by Janelle Gazunas, illustrated by Katie Zlonowski.
Okay, so the book is called Jeremy's Healthy Body, and there's a picture. The cover page of the book is a boy at the doctor's office, it looks like. There's a doctor and a nurse maybe, and maybe his parent, I'm guessing, but maybe we'll find out right now. Okay, let's look at the chapters.
Chapter 1, Your Brain, page 1. Chapter 2, Your Heart, page 9. Chapter 3, Your Lungs, page 17. Chapter 4, Your Bones and Muscles, page 25. Chapter 5, Your Body and Food, page 33. Chapter 6, Taking Care of Your Body, page 41.
Okay, so we see how the book and the chapters are organized. The first few chapters are about different parts of your body, your brain, your heart, your lungs, your bones and muscles. And then the last 2 chapters are about body and food. And chapter 6 is taking care of your body. Okay, so it's all about your body and how to keep it healthy, probably with food. Okay, so now we're going to read.
Chapter 1, Your Brain.
Okay, so we're going to read about the brain and the nervous system, which the brain is the main part of that. Okay, so here we see Jeremy and his dad.
Jeremy and his dad are at the doctor's office. Jeremy has a checkup. The nurse calls Jeremy's name. The nurse takes Jeremy's height and weight.
Okay, so he's at the doctor's office, like I'm sure that you have been before. He's going to see the doctor and have a checkup. So like you do at the doctor, you wait in the waiting room and a nurse calls your name and then they check your height and weight. Okay, there's the nurse and there's Jeremy.
The nurse tells Jeremy ways to stay healthy. Jeremy should eat healthy foods and exercise. Jeremy should get the right amount of sleep.
Okay, so those are a couple of ways that you can stay healthy, and just like Jeremy, eat healthy foods, exercise, and get the right amount of sleep. Sometimes we forget that. We talk about eating good food and exercising, but sleep is an important part of that. And also drinking plenty of water. So let's see if they mention that. Okay, there's Jeremy sleeping, and there's his brain.
Jeremy asks why his body needs sleep. The nurse says sleep is important. Sleep helps your brain work.
Okay, so sleep is important. It helps your brain work. You need rest. Okay, there's the brain again.
The nurse tells Jeremy about his brain. Your brain is like a computer. It controls what your body does. The brain helps us think, talk, move, and eat.
Okay, I don't know if you remember that I've mentioned that in some of our vocabulary lessons and reading lessons. The brain is a very important organ, maybe the most important one. It's like the control center of the body. It controls everything, how you talk, how you breathe even. So You wouldn't breathe if your brain didn't tell your lungs to breathe, okay? You need your brain. Okay, there's a picture of the nervous system, and the brain is the main part of the nervous system, but there's other parts too. Let's see if it talks about that.
There are nerves in your body. Nerves carry messages from your brain. The messages tell your body what to do.
Okay, so these are nerves. You see the blue part? Okay, nerves, there's nerves all over your body. Okay, they carry messages from your brain to other parts of your body. So nerves, like when you touch things, like we talked about touching hot things and you feel hot, it's because a nerve has sent a signal to your brain that you touch something hot, and that's how you know, that's how you feel it. It's complicated. Okay. Oh, and this is talking about that a little bit. There's somebody who has the water running, and those are little receptors.
What happens when your hand feels hot water? The nerves in your hand send a message. The brain sends a message to move your hand.
Okay, so when you touch something hot, the nerves in your hand send a message to your brain that tells it it's hot. Move your hand before you get seriously hurt.
Your brain controls everything you do. I will take care of my brain, says Jeremy. Now it is time to see the doctor.
Okay, so he still hasn't seen the doctor. He's there with his dad and the nurse. Oh, I guess that's in the next chapter. Okay, so now you can ask your parents or whoever's helping you maybe to quiz you and help you find some of the words or ask you to find some of the words. For example, your parents at home can ask you to find the word healthy, okay? The vocabulary word is healthy, okay? So you're looking for something in the blue area, somebody holding an apple and showing that they're strong with their arm, healthy.
Healthy.
Okay, maybe they'll ask you to find one word that means or is a way to be healthy. Exercise. Where's exercise? In the pink area, somebody's doing a sit-up. You see it? Find exercise.
Exercise.
Okay, and then maybe in the yellow area, I see another vocabulary word. I see the word body. Okay, your body, and we're talking this month about keeping it healthy. So it's just a picture of a person with a head and a body. Okay, in the yellow.
Body.
Okay, and maybe look for one more vocabulary word. This word is what we talked about in this chapter. It's a very important organ here, up here in your skull. It's the control center of your body. It controls everything your body does. It's the brain. Find the brain. Right next to body.
Brain.
Okay, now you can go ahead and pause the video and answer the questions. Okay, and then resume the video, and we're going to go over the questions and answers now. So chapter 1, your brain. Number 1.
What is this chapter about?
What is the chapter about? Is it about A, brain, B, nurse, or C, x-ray? Well, we see in the title what it's about. I think it's A, brain.
Brain.
Okay, number 2.
What does Jeremy have?
What does Jeremy have? A, pizza, B, checkup, or C, book? Does he have a pizza? I don't think I saw a pizza mentioned.
Pizza.
No, he does not. Does he have a checkup with the doctor?
Checkup.
Okay, number 3.
What helps your brain work?
Okay, what helps your brain work? Sleep, A, sleep, B, candy, or C, oil? Okay, remember, what did they mention in the story? Did they mention sleep?
Sleep.
Yes, Sleep helps your brain. Number 4.
What do nerves carry from your brain?
Okay, what do nerves carry from your brain? A, glasses, B, phones, or C, messages? Was it glasses? Does that make sense?
Glasses.
Was it phones?
Phones.
Messages?
Messages.
Messages. Okay, and 5.
What is important to know about this chapter?
Okay, what is important to know? A,
Being tall is better for your body.
I don't know, does that sound true?
Your brain controls everything you do.
Maybe. Or C,
Eating junk food is good for your body.
I don't know, is that true? Is eating junk food good for your body? Okay, is A true, being tall is better for your body? No, you can't help how tall you are. And tall people can be just as healthy as short people. Okay, and B, your brain controls everything you do? Correct, B. Okay, so that is the lesson for today, and I will see you at 11 for math.